we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of HUPEJOS V50, 4-channel dashcam, front and rear inside, consists of the following features. 4-channel 360 degrees dashcam. HUPEJOS V50, 4-channel mini dashcam will provide you with 150 degrees, 4 super wide-angle field of view. Left and right cameras can be rotated to adjust the angle to ensure 360 degrees all-around protection. Which offering 2 movie modes, 4K front plus 1080p rear, or 2K front plus 2560x 720p left-right plus 1080p rear resolutions. The left and right lens shots are stitched together into a single frame for easy viewing. The excellent resolution of the dashcam front and rear seamlessly captures every detail. Loop recording and G-sensor dashcam. The dashcam comes with a 64GB micro SD memory card, maximum support 256 GB. Every 3-minute loop recording, the oldest videos will be overwritten when the SD card is full. Built-in sensitivity G-sensor can automatically detect a sudden shake, collision, and locks the footage to prevent the video from being overwrote even in loop recording. 24 hours parking mode dash camera for car. The parked car security camera will automatically switch to parking mode when you stop and turn off, the car surveillance camera 24/7 recording parking mode. The dashcam for cars has time delay recording function, which can record continuously with low power consumption and low frame rate, providing 360 degrees protection for your car. Super night vision with HDR, WDR technology car camera. The dash camera for car features a large f/1.8 aperture and 6 layers of excellent optical lens, equipped with HDR, WDR technology, which automatically balances the light and dark areas of the video. The driving recorder clearly captures small details such as driving case and license plates day or night. Note, click the dash camera menu IR LED, on to turn it on, off to turn it off. If not set, it will be automatic. Built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi and GPS and app control dash camera. It built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi, which is 4 times faster than 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. It allows you to instantly view and manage dashcam footage using an app. Download recorded videos directly to your smartphone via Wi-Fi connection and then easily share them with friends and family on social media. The car recorder is built-in GPS to accurately record driving tracks and speed, providing vital evidence in the event of an accident. Voice control dash camera. The dash camera with voice control function allows you control the dashcam with spoken commands, in English, so you can keep your hands on the steering wheel and focus on safe driving. All you need to do is say commands to take photo, start video, turn on/off audio, turn on/off Wi-Fi, turn on/off screen and more. Everything will be easier and more convenient. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.